Okay, so the way we finish a stitch to pick up where we left off, so we're stitching along and we've discovered we don't have enough thread to finish the process, then you have to do back stitch just like you did here, where you did 2 to 3 back stitches here. You need to do the same thing here. So we're going to do that. A little tight. And then finish off at the back so that both threads are now on the same side. Now I just want you to cut them off like that for now. And then you're going to go ahead and rethread your needle so that you have enough thread to finish out the rest of the project. And then what you're going to do is you're going to pick up right where you left off in this last hole right here. And you're going to start stitching just like you did from the beginning. Okay, just like you did from the beginning, pulling the threads through. And stitching forward. Starting from the right. If you're left-handed, you can start from the left. And your threads tight. And as you can see, we've continued. You are going to see your back stitches. There's no doubt about that. My advice to you is you can use your fingernail to snug them down. You can also use a very light tapping with a cobbler's tool. Show you this. This is a cobbler's tool. You can use it to hammer these down. Once you take it off of the stitching pony, lay it down on your table, and that will flatten your stitches a little bit, but you will see your back stitches. Once you're going forward and you've finished, you're going to come back to these threads. You're going to cut them off just like we did before, very close to the leather, just like that. And this time I'm going to show you how to use the glue instead of the lighter. This is a bottle that I got from Amazon. It has a nice little needle tip on it. And it makes it great for applying just a very, very small drop of glue, as you can see. Not even that big do you need. Okay. Very small drop. One on the end there and there. Okay. And then what you're going to do, you can leave it like that if you wish, but if those sticking out bother you, take your awl that you have gotten in your kit, or if you have one at home, and then gently press that thread to the hole. You don't want to poke it all the way through. I'm not going straight in because you could push the thread all the way out. You don't want to do that, but you can tap that back into place inside that hole, and that will make them virtually disappear. Okay. I hope that helps you with your stitching.